How's it going, everyone? My name is Luke. I'm one of the factory officers here at Lasermet, and today we're going to be stepping behind the curtain of one of these lovely little Dolphin Pods to talk about our laser etching. Now, these Dolphin Pods themselves are great when it comes to protecting people around you, when it comes to lasers that like to get moved about place to place, or just lasers that go on the move in general. Now, they're great for one of two things. So we've got laser engraving and we have got the laser cleaning. Now we're going to be focusing on the laser engraving today, so if you come on in, we'll go and have a little look, shall we? Now when it comes to these things, especially with the laser engravers, they aren't particularly powerful lasers, as you know, because it's only skimming off the very surface of the metal to create a slight indentation for scribing and everything like that. But you still need safety protection. So best to wear your goggles. I will also pack some to my handy cameraman here.
Thank you.
And what we're going to be doing today is we've got ourselves what we call a CE plate. So this is a identifier for whatever laser is going to be inside either an enclosure or the curtains. So what we're going to do now is we're going to start our program here. Now there's one thing to note is we have actually made sure that everything here is set so we can get the most optimal engraving in this. It's not too deep, it's not too shallow, and it's consistent from start to finish. So with a simple press, we're off.